Alright, so this program is going to be very simple. We have to take a variable and return that variable being repeated a certain amount of times. No need to add space or anything. We're just going to keep repeating it into one single string. So we're going to repeat a given string, the first argument here, string, num times the second argument, and return an empty string if num is not a positive number. So I'm going to make a if statement. It's going to be num if num is greater than 0, then return string repeat num, and if num is not greater than 0, then return an empty string. And now I'm going to click the run button, and as you can see, we get an empty string for the first console log because that -1 is less than 0. So we're going to get an empty string here. And then for the second console log, we have a +4. A string repeats 4 times, so we would get candy, apple repeated 4 times in this string right here. So to further explain, we create an empty string variable to store the repeated word here with string, and then also you can as well use a while loop or a for loop to repeat code as many times as needed according to num as well, but instead we use the if statement. Then we just have to add the string to the variable created on step 1 and increase or decrease num depending on how you set the loop. At the end of the loop, return the variable for the repeated word. Alright, and on to the next lecture.